By almost every measure, the year 2021 was a blockbuster for crypto. The businesses rose to $1 trillion level and generated a major wave of financial disruption around the world. With a slew of big-name investors racing to join in on the action, institutional adoption skyrocketed, and in all this, Ripple XRP played a major role and became an important crypto of the market. However, the crypto regulations around the globe proved a bit hard for the crypto market. It seems like the good days are coming as the Fed made a big announcement. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We are going to talk about the fact that an important announcement was made by the Federal Reserve and how this is going to impact XRP. Moreover, we have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
From El Salvador's adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender to the sale of a $69 million NFT, 2021 was a watershed moment for the industry. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins reached all new highs beyond their earliest peaks. Institutional adoption accelerated with a swath of big-name investors flocking to get in on the action. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, took the art world by storm, while decentralized finance, or DeFi projects, took aim at revolutionizing the financial system. In all that, Ripple had a major part to play. According to the payments company, transaction volume over RippleNet has more than doubled since last year, and ODL transactions are up 130% quarter over quarter. In Q3, the ODL transactions accounted for 25% of total volume. All XRP sales this quarter are attributed to the growth and adoption of ODL. The currency, however, could not reach an all-time high like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it did maintain its spot in the top 10. The value of the coin could not reach the previous all-time high because of the looming lawsuit over its head, along with the overall crypto regulation challenges in the market, but now the good days are coming. Recently, the U.S. Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, said that the government report on cryptocurrencies is expected to come out within the next few weeks. However, in response to Senator Mike Crapo's queries, Powell stated that the report has been delayed due to other priorities. As reported by Yahoo Finance, the U.S. Federal Reserve Chair says, "The report really is ready to go, and I would expect we will drop it, I hate to say it again, in the coming weeks. But it really is any situation where it is ready to go," he stressed, adding that the FED digital dollar would coexist with private stable coins. "It was hard and we didn't get it quite where we needed to get it, but it's effectively there now, and I will tell you it's within weeks we will be publishing it. And by the way, it's more going to be an exercise in asking questions and seeking input from the public rather than taking a lot of positions on various issues, although we do take some positions." The point where the chairman stressed about the coexistence of stablecoins in central bank digital currency is intriguing, and it is a whole new turn by Powell. He was responding to a question posed by Senator Pat Toomey during a confirmation hearing for a second term as head of the central bank. The senator asked, if Congress were to authorize and the Fed were to pursue a central bank digital dollar, is there anything about that ought to preclude a well-regulated, privately issued stablecoin from existing with a central bank digital dollar? Powell quickly responded, "No, not at all." Powell's remarks looked to be a shift in tone from July last year when he suggested that if the central bank issued its own CBDC, there would be no need for cryptos. Powell's testimony comes on the same day that Minnesota Representative Tom Emmer hinted on Twitter that he would be announcing new legislation linked to digital currency, though he did not provide any details. It's unclear whether the impending bill would strive to fix the definition of a broker in the infrastructure law which went into force in November 2021 or take other regulatory road to stimulate crypto industry innovation. The lack of understanding on how to manage this rapidly growing trillion-dollar market has generated a rift between individuals in the US capital, Wall Street, and the crypto world. The problem has finally been accepted, and the officials have started to work for it. Crypto is the future, and staying behind was not an option for the government. Coming towards the interesting part, the Federal Reserve has been given a green signal in support of cryptocurrencies. Here, the Fed's support for XRP also matters a lot. Last year, we heard that the Federal Reserve plans to adopt a new format for local and transitional payments that RippleNet is already a part of. Years ago, several payment firms submitted 16 recommendations to the Faster Payments Task Force. Ripple jumped at the chance and offered its quick, low-cost, and secure payment solution. After that, speculations arose that the US Federal Reserve has accepted the San Francisco-based payment company. The Federal Reserve, using the same system as Ripple, and the positive remarks of Jerome Powell, indicates that after the new regulations, XRP is going to break out. As Ripple is under the lawsuit with the US regulatory authority, a victory to this will make XRP the only duly regulated cryptocurrency of the entire market. This will be a massive advantage of the lawsuit that is currently halting the value of XRP. Lawmakers in Washington, D.C. and around the world are trying to find out how to make cryptocurrency safer for investors and less appealing to hackers by enacting regulation and guidelines. XRP also wins in this regard as it is the most secure and stable cryptocurrency, and it can be of great importance for the organizations. Jeffrey Wang, head of the Americans at Amber Group, a Canada-based crypto finance firm, said, "Regulation is probably one of the biggest overhangs in the crypto industry globally. We would very much welcome clear regulation." Things are less clear in the United States than they are elsewhere in the world. The chairman of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, has stated that he has no intention of banning cryptocurrency in the United States, while SEC Chairman Gary Gensler has repeatedly stated that his agency and the Commodities Future Trading Commission's role is policing the market. Now, the US organizations have stated to accept cryptocurrency, and after the new crypto regulation, the market is going to rise. XRP, being the only fully regulated cryptocurrency, will be leading the respective industry. The current value of XRP is down. That's mainly because the entire market is struggling. Soon the markets will be green, which is why the experts are predicting a bright future for XRP in coming days. For months, the price of XRP has been hovering around a critical high timeframe support level. The latest retest of this barrier should have relaunched a strong run-up, but Ripple is stalled by many obstacles, resulting in a shortened uptrend. According to the experts at FXST, the XRP price bounced up to 69 cents to 75-cent daily demand zone, leading to a 50% upswing. However, this rally reversed even before it retested the resistance barrier at 81 cents. The downswing took the remittance token back to the pavilion, retesting the aforementioned demand zone. If the XRP price somehow manages to kickstart another uptrend, there is a high chance it will be kept at 10% due to the 50-day simple moving average at 85 cents. Clearing this hurdle will open the path for a 12% upswing, bringing Ripple to revisit the 200-day SMA at 95 cents. This run-up will constitute a 22% climb and has a less probability of occurring as compared to the 10% rally to the 50-day SMA. This is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know more about Shiba Inu, XRP, or Ethereum, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. The data and analysis given in this video does not comprise investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. Kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies change frequently, so by the time you watch this, it might have changed to a whole new value. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about XRP skyrocketing in the upcoming few months. Are you going to buy XRP while it's cheap? Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and see you in the next video.